So, who wants to go first?
I'll go.
Okay.
Relationships. That is what it's all about for you, and you put a lot of time into them. And I used to think, maybe a little too much time. But that's just because at work, relationships are less of a priority for me, and I think that's caused some problems for us.
Yeah, a few.
Yeah, and it was getting in the way of our projects. So I made our relationship a priority. I stopped interrupting you. I started listening more, even when I knew where you were going with something. And I try not to be all business all the time. And, we talk about things other than work. I still get antsy sometimes. I'm sorry about that. But I think things are pretty good between us.
Yeah, things have come a long way. You hear me out now, and that feels good.
Yeah, and I think we got along really well from the start. I mean, sure, we had some bumps along the way. Working with you can be kind of chaotic.
Very chaotic.
Yeah.
Very chaotic.
Well, you have a lot of energy and tons of ideas, and, that's great. Don't get me wrong, Steph. You help us get a lot of things started. But then you can lose interest when we get into the more routine stuff.
Guilty.
Yeah. And working with you has been tricky for me because, my first instinct is to think, how is that even going to work? But the first words out of my mouth are, okay, sounds good, because I want to be supportive. So for me, it's about finding a balance between stepping back and giving your ideas a chance and still finding a way to make my concerns heard.
Yeah, for me, it's easier to speak up if something isn't working, but then I go too far. I'll start picking the idea apart without really hearing you out.
Yeah, I'll be really excited about something, and you will just shut it down. And then I'm left thinking, well, is that it?
I know, and I'm sorry about that. If I give myself a few days to think about it, I usually come around and finding a way that we can make it work.
And I appreciate that. It lets me know that you're listening to me. And I need to feel heard. I want to feel heard. And when you do that, when all of you do that, it makes me feel like I'm part of a team. So thank you.
This clip is part of an activity in the Everything DiSC Workplace Facilitation Kit. There are 3 other clips like this one for each of the team members. While we can't share those clips with you, we do have other clips from the Everything DiSC Workplace Kit in this playlist, or you can subscribe to our channel here.